Hello Internet, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set the beautiful Taylor Swift live wallpaper on your Windows computer. Step 1. Open your web browser and search for Lively Wallpaper on the Microsoft Store, or visit livelywallpaper.app. Step 2. Download and install Lively Wallpaper. Once it's installed, open the program. To find Taylor Swift live wallpaper, please go to the video description and download the video from the Google Drive link. Step 4. In Lively Wallpaper, click the plus icon, then browse and add the Taylor Swift wallpaper file you downloaded. Step 5. Select it, and it will instantly start playing as your desktop background. Step 6. You can right-click the Lively icon in the taskbar to adjust playback speed, scaling, or performance settings. And that's it. You now have a beautiful Taylor Swift live wallpaper running on your Windows desktop. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your new wallpaper.